It's about different emotions gathered in one. Um, it's releasing on 17th December, so I'm quite excited about the whole thing. And my character name is Mauni. She's this Telugu girl, simple, naive, modern, but at the same time, she's rooted to her cultural values. So I'm quite excited to play this character, and I also believe that with this character, I can actually connect to the audience, to all those girls who are living in Hyderabad. And the whole film is like a package. It's a mass film, which also includes a lot of dancing, a lot of nice South Indian songs, but at the same time you have melody. You have this mother emotion song, you have this love song, and you have different various emotions. And I really hope that when people walk out of the theater and cinema, I really wish they can just learn a little bit of something from the film. And I think that would be the best thing for me. Very close. Me in my personal life, I am really connected to my family. I love my family, and this girl, she loves her family as well. But at the same time, she's very emotional. As you must have seen that song, Novasante. She's crying in the whole song. So I'm a very emotional person in my own personal life, and I think I'm also like this character is about this young girl who's just exploring the world, and still she's trying to explore herself, see how the world is and see how she is. And I can relate to her in a way when I was young, I was still trying to explore the whole thing that how this world is. I'm still naive, I don't know anything, but I'm still trying to reach a point where I know, okay, that's me. So I can definitely relate to the character. Also, the fact Puri sir made it so easy for me to, write down this nice character Mauni and to mold it in my own way. Very nice. He is like, I think, very hardworking guy, very focused, and at the same time he's very supportive. I still remember I used to have trouble doing my lines, so he literally used to sit with me and he used to read the lines, and he used to tell me, the whole emotion behind the scene and everything. So he really supported me a lot. I never felt that I'm doing a film with a star, and I never felt that it's my first film. So they all were so kind, and I'm like grateful that I got such a nice film and such a nice crew to work with. I'm happy that they're like telling me that I look like, because they both are so beautiful for me. But at the same time, I would love to make my own identity as Disha. I would want, because everybody is different in their own way. I might look like someone, but maybe I have my own thing. Shraddha is pretty and she has her own essence, and Ileana has her own essence. So I don't want to make comparison with anyone. But I'm happy that, they're comparing me to beautiful actresses. But at the same time, I wish I can make my own mark and people start recognizing me as Disha. On set, it's much easier for me to come and just do the lines rather than remembering and, learning it up. So I was prepared enough before I went for the main thing, and I think the whole crew really helped me out. Like they literally used to sit with me, and I used to write down each and every line, because also the accent is different. Like how you write it and how you say it is different. It was difficult, but I think you need to work hard for achieving something big. That's fine. I don't remember difficult dialogues. um, yeah, I started shooting for some other film in between, so I really like cut off from the Telugu lines and Telugu scenes. I think, let me remember. I just remember one word, Koncham Manchode, and I remember words. I don't remember like the proper scene lines. Sorry for that. Working with Puri sir, I think he's the coolest director in India. Like he's coolest, and yet he's so hardworking. I still remember how he used to shoot whole day and then used to sit whole night to edit the scenes. And at the same time, he was writing like a different script for a different film. So for me, he's an inspiration, and how he never stresses about work. He does everything so smoothly. You will always see him smiling. For him, everything is like, okay, it'll happen. Don't worry, don't worry. So he works with this happy face, and people around him are also so happy. He's like, he loves to give. So I think for me, he's an inspiration, and how he made it. Like I know from where he come from. Like he didn't have any background, and he really worked hard, and now he's one of the top directors in South. So it was amazing working with him. Oh, she's beautiful, and not just as a person, but as an actress, she is I remember I used to just look at her throughout the scenes, that how beautifully she does, and like, respect to this lady, she's amazing at whatever she does. Uh, if you see the film, you will see her work, and she's just another level. Like, I can't even get my eyes off when she's performing, and she has done a fabulous job. I don't think anyone could have, like, even uh, be there in her place. So I really respect her, and she is this strong lady. I really look up to her, and I hope one day I can just learn something from her, like here and there. I want to do everything. I don't want to get stuck in one character or something. I want to do female oriented films if I get a chance. I would love to do, actually. And it doesn't matter to me what character it is, as long as I can relate to it, and as long as I feel it's strong. I love dancing. I love Allu Arjun sir. I'm like his great fan. So I've seen his song Topless, Top Ledge, right? And he has killed it. So it's like my small dream. If I could just do like 2 3 steps with him, I would be like flying. I can't disclose anything. I'm not allowed. But I'm working on 2 projects right now in Bollywood. So, like, once it's out, I can talk about it more. Thank you so much.